What floor?
2? Do you have a...
That's not on me.
Oh, so where are you going?
5. Thank you. So I'm just going to see my friend who's on the 5th floor.
Oh, okay.
Take care.
Thank you.
That was close. Oh wow, it has an arrow. Wow, it's actually real nice. Oh look, that one shows it on that one shows the number on the other side. See, this shows the number on the right side, and this shows the number on the left side. It's kind of funny. Probably to be centered, I don't know. I wonder what that building is. That tall one in the distance there. I'm not sure though. Whoop, there we go. I'll look at the other one now.
Hey there.
Interesting. This COP is for staff use only. Does this one have the arrow? No, it doesn't. Oh, this one also has the number on the other side. That's weird. No arrow though. That sucks. That's it. I like the little archway. That's it.